So after 90 days of renovations, we're finally done with this project. I want you to come inside and check out all the features that we've changed on this property and how we got this property from being a stinker to being one of the most appealing properties on the block. Come on in. All right, so here we have it. Post 90 days of renovation, and this is the final product. I don't know if you remember this from the initial visit to this property. It had a small window here. This is obviously an addition that was added to the property. We're gonna go ahead, reinforce this here. This is gonna be a bigger counter space to basically interact to the living room, dining room area. There was a wall here before and another wall here as well. Very tight, closed kitchen. It had a drop-down ceiling here, had almost like some artificial walls here. It was really just not appealing.
I remember we were testing to see how high we can.
Yeah, we were trying to see, how.
A little mini demo there.
This was obviously like some sort of an apartment here because it has an exterior door, which is not very common to see. So what I'm doing is closing this off and making this just one big room. When we first started working on the property, this house came with some beams, some wood beams that came across.
So there's smooth ceiling, a little lower at the bottom.
Correct. It'd actually be at the same as where the beams are. So because of that, I basically enclosed it, put some recessed lighting, and created enough room to have now 2 vents properly ventilating this area.
Right.
So this could be the family room, living room area.
I think it makes the room look way bigger.
Yeah, we made some custom impact windows there just to maximize this space, and I think that's what gives it a lot of volume. And so the bathroom here is a full redo. We bake it down to the stud, get rid of basically all the cast iron pipe that we can find. Caving in all over. I basically went with the same concept with the grays and the whites. These tiles are so large, we felt that it would give it a more appeal, a more grand appeal.
I remember when we came, that wall was completely open and they were doing the plumbing.
Yes.
Around the house, we're gonna get rid of this older casing.
Yeah, all these casings get ripped out and all of this gets squared.
We're gonna leave the Royal Palm. Last time I was here, it was the last time I saw the house, and when I pulled up, I was like, what? I almost didn't recognize.
We're gonna demolish these. We're gonna demolish this keystone.
Oh man, Keystone? Getting rid of Keystone in Miami?
At nighttime, it really just makes the house pop. And I'm surprised to see you always with a fresh coat of white paint, which is what's being used now, and the graphite gray, the way that it contrasts makes it look really, really modern. The process just moved along swiftly with our vendors, and that's what we did.
That looks great. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you, Isael. You can see the passion and commitment that you put into renovating these projects. You are certainly talented at making them look pretty. Our client was most pleased with the outcome, with the high profits and quick turnaround. So thank you and appreciate your partnership.
So if you want to see more videos like this of our future projects or our current projects of befores and after, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe below. I also want to know what you think. If there anything that you recommend that I should have done that maybe we didn't do, make sure to comment that all below, and I'll be more than happy to take the feedback.
Thanks for watching, and we appreciate your time and ask you to go ahead and subscribe and like this video and share with anybody you think might enjoy it. Thank you.